The secrets of deep space are unfolding with a series of truly astonishing revelations, and one of the most intriguing recent events centers on the Voyager 2 spacecraft and a groundbreaking discovery made public by renowned physicist Michio Kaku. Voyager 2, which was launched in 1977, has been traversing the dark and silent reaches of interstellar space for decades. Recently, it encountered an anomaly so unusual and complex that researchers had to enlist the help of advanced artificial intelligence to decipher it. According to Kaku, this AI analysis revealed something startling. Voyager 2 may have made contact with something or someone beyond our known universe. Since its launch, Voyager 2 has stood as a testament to human curiosity and the desire to explore the cosmos. Its mission was to study the outer planets and then continue into interstellar space, all while carrying the iconic golden record time capsule containing sounds, music, and information about Earth intended for any intelligent life that might encounter it. For decades, Voyager 2 quietly traveled through space, occasionally transmitting data that scientists would analyze for clues about our solar system and the universe beyond. Then, unexpectedly, scientists detected an interruption in its communications, followed by a series of irregular signals, waveforms, electromagnetic pulses, and patterns that defied explanation. At first, researchers speculated that these anomalies were due to the harsh and unpredictable conditions of deep space, cosmic radiation, extreme temperatures, or random background noise. But the signals persisted, and what initially seemed like random interference began to show structured patterns. These patterns displayed a level of organization and complexity that did not align with known natural astrophysical processes. Traditional scientific analysis could not make sense of the data, prompting the team to hand the information over to one of the most advanced AI systems ever designed to interpret deep space signals. This AI system had been trained extensively, not only with astronomical models, but with a broad spectrum of data, including natural sounds and artificial transmissions. Its training enabled it to identify both organic and synthetic signal structures, similar to distinguishing the call of a whale from the signal of a satellite. After weeks of processing, running simulations, and comparing signal features such as harmonics and timing intervals, the AI returned results that were both shocking and profound. According to the AI, the signal Voyager 2 detected was not a random cosmic event, nor was it a malfunction of the spacecraft's instruments. The signal exhibited characteristics that strongly indicated an intelligent origin. The repetition, nested frequencies, and progression of the signal all suggested a deliberate design. Voyager 2 had seemingly encountered a transmission crafted with intention and purpose. This signal wasn't a recognizable human language, but it bore markers typically associated with communication. Frequencies were modulated in ways that hinted at an understanding of Voyager 2's technical specifications, including its sensor capabilities. Even more curious, parts of the signal appeared to reflect the audio frequencies found on the golden record, raising the fascinating possibility that an external intelligence had not only intercepted the record, but understood its contents. The AI produced a visual reconstruction of the signal, revealing a complex pattern of spirals and interference designs. When rendered in 4 dimensions, the pattern appeared to describe a topological structure, perhaps a diagram, a map, or a new form of communication based on geometric principles. Dr. Kaku emphasized that the significance of this event went beyond the mere detection of an unusual signal. Voyager 2 was far from any known planetary body, asteroid, or dense interstellar cloud that could explain the signal's origin. The implication was clear. This was not a case of the spacecraft drifting through random cosmic noise. Something or someone had detected the probe and responded. This wasn't passive happenstance. It was an active interaction. The realization that a lone probe, drifting silently through the void, could be observed, analyzed, and contacted suggests the existence of intelligence operating in the same region of space. This discovery has reignited discussions around the Fermi paradox, the question of why, if intelligent life exists elsewhere, humanity has yet to detect it. Some theories argue that advanced civilizations may deliberately remain hidden or operate at technological levels so far beyond our comprehension that their presence goes unnoticed. However, this new event opens the door to a more hopeful interpretation. Intelligent life may indeed exist, but it is rare, cautious, or simply waiting for the right type of signal. The Golden Record, a unique blend of human culture, science, and greetings, may have been just the catalyst needed to provoke a response. The implications of this response are immense. If something responded to Voyager 2 in the vacuum of interstellar space, it challenges the long-held assumption that space is largely empty and silent. It raises the possibility of a vast, distributed awareness across the cosmos, some form of interstellar monitoring system that observes the movements of objects. Like Voyager 2, the exact location of the signal's detection is also noteworthy. It occurred shortly after the probe passed into the heliopause, the boundary where the influence of our sun wanes and interstellar space begins. This transition zone may be more than just a boundary. It could be a checkpoint, a monitored gateway where intelligent systems observe new entrants into the wider galactic neighborhood. Among the more remarkable findings were time signatures embedded within the signal. These weren't consistent with any known natural source. Instead, they featured temporal offsets that appeared to encode sequences, possibly a countdown, a timeline, or a message sequence requiring progressive interpretation. Some scientists speculated that it could represent a guide, an invitation, or a form of initiation. Others warned it might be more akin to a security trigger alerting some system that an external object had crossed a monitored threshold. Whatever the case, the signal was not simply a one-off burst. It had layers of data, directional components, and potential embedded instructions. It may not have been sent by a spacecraft in the traditional sense, but rather by an intelligence field, a type of consciousness interwoven into the very fabric of space, or even an advanced form of AI embedded in the electromagnetic spectrum. This stretches our definitions of what intelligence is, no longer bound by biology, but possibly manifesting as energy, information, or quantum-level interactions. Such entities would surpass conventional definitions of sentience. Dr. Kaku has long advocated for the Kardashev scale, which classifies civilizations based on their energy utilization. Type 1 harnesses planetary energy, Type 2 controls stellar energy, and Type 3 masters galactic power. The nature of the signal Voyager 2 encountered suggests it may have been crafted by a Type 2 civilization, an entity capable of manipulating or observing interstellar space with technological capabilities far beyond ours. This unprecedented event has also cast new light on the importance of artificial intelligence in space exploration. Without AI, the signal might have been lost amid the cosmic background, its meaning forever undiscovered. AI served as the critical tool that made recognition possible, a bridge between human ingenuity and the incomprehensible vastness of space. This marks a new phase in our journey. No longer are we merely sending machines into space. We are empowering them to interpret, adapt, and potentially communicate on our behalf. As more of the signal is decoded, researchers anticipate discovering additional layers of complexity. Early interpretations hint at multidimensional encoding schemes, perhaps even utilizing mathematical constructs that extend beyond current human understanding. Some experts believe the signal includes adaptive code information meant to be unlocked only as computational abilities evolve. Others have observed sequences resembling prime numbers and universal constants, which could be part of a shared cosmic language designed to transcend biology and culture. One of the most compelling ideas emerging from this event is that this may not be Voyager 2's first extraordinary encounter, just the first one we were capable of recognizing. Space is unimaginably vast, and signals are fleeting. Until now, humanity lacked the tools to fully capture and process such phenomena. That it took artificial intelligence to detect what might be the most significant message in human history. suggests we may have already missed countless others. The very notion that Voyager 2 has been observed suggests an unsettling but fascinating possibility. We have been watched. The presence of the Golden Record, intended as an introduction to humanity, may not have alerted the universe to our existence but confirmed what was already known. This raises the prospect that spacefaring civilizations have protocols in place for observing emerging technological societies. Much like watching a young species take flight for the first time, Voyager 2's mission then becomes more than a scientific endeavor. It is a rite of passage, a declaration of presence, and perhaps, now, an acknowledged contact. Scientists and AI specialists continue their work, carefully analyzing the mysterious signal. The global community watches, not with alarm, but with a mixture of wonder and cautious anticipation. This moment redefines our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it.